Now let's talk about travel timetables. Travel timetables show the expected arrival and departure time for vehicles, ships, aeroplanes, and trains. Some tables even show the fares between towns. So below is an example of a travel timetable for a minibus plying the route between towns X, Y, and Z. So in this table, the minibus departs from X at 8:30 hours and arrives at Y at 11:15 hours. It departs from Y at 11:30 hours and arrives at Z at 14:10 hours. So our first task is to determine how long does it take to travel from town X to town Y. So in this case, time taken will be equals to arrival time minus departure time. So this is 11:15 hours minus 08:30 hours. So this translates to 2 hours 45 minutes. How long does it take at Y? So again, time taken will be equals to the arrival time minus, the departure time, that is the time that it departs from Y minus the time it arrived at Y. So that is 11:30 hours minus 11:15 hours. So this gives us 15 minutes. Our second timetable table is this fare table, and this table shows fares in shillings between Mukure town and Thika town. Now remember, there's other towns between Mukuru and Thika, and these towns are Kango, Mangu, and Gatukuyu. So Cyprian traveled from Mukuru to Gatukuyu and later from Gatukuyu to Thika. How much money did he spend as fare? So to find the amount of money spent, we have to trace his journey from Mukuru to Gatukuyu is 30 shillings. So here amount spent will be 30 plus from Gatukuyu to Thika is 40 shillings. So this gives us a total of 70 shillings. Now if he traveled from Mukure to Thika without alighting at Gatukuyu, how much would he have saved? So the direct route from Mukure to Thika is direct route, that is the express, we simply call it express route will cost 60 shillings. So amount saved would have been 70 minus 60, so this gives us 10 shillings.